In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Canva and use your files inside Canva. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're already logged into your account where your files are stored. Next, open a new tab and go to the Canva website. Make sure you're also logged into your Canva account. Once you're inside Canva, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on the 3 horizontal dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, click on Apps. In the Apps panel, go to the search bar at the top and type Google Drive. When it appears in the results, click on the Google Drive app. You'll now see options to either use it in an existing design or start with a new design. If you choose an existing design, select your project from the list. If you prefer to start fresh, choose a new design type based on what you want to create. Once your design opens, go to the left sidebar again and click the Connect button under Google Drive. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a Google account. Select the account that contains the files you want to use, then click Allow to grant Canva permission to access your Google Drive. After connecting, your Google Drive folders will appear directly inside the Canva sidebar. You can now browse your files without leaving Canva. To use a file, simply click on any image or video from your drive, and it will instantly be added to your design canvas. From this point forward, your Google Drive will stay connected. Whenever you open a new or existing project, you'll be able to access your Drive files directly from the sidebar without needing to reconnect. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.